If you want to impress your loved ones this holiday season or for any occasion, come and make this white roux with me. I am AJ from Savory Thoughts, showing you how to make this simple and delicious white roux. Perfect to go with your meat during the holiday season, turkey, whatever it is that you want to make. It goes really well with mashed potatoes. We have some pretty cool mashed potato recipes at savorythoughts.com, so go check it out. Once you've melted your butter, go ahead and add your oil. Olive oil is definitely always the go-to for us. And let's go ahead and stir in our flour. Now remember, when you're making the roux, stirring is the key. You have to stir continuously throughout the entire process. Do not let it sit for a second because you do not want the flour to start crumpling up. So you want it to be nice and smooth. Slowly add in your milk, or you can also use creamer if you prefer, if you wanted something a lot creamier. But slowly add in your milk, and again, you're gonna continue to stir. And once you are completed with the milk, add in the remaining ingredients, such as your garlic, salt and pepper to taste, and your cloves. Stir, 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 and of course stirring is the key to have a smooth consistency. And once the ingredients are all well combined and your roux starts to thicken, it will have this beautiful slippery texture like this. As easy as 1, 2, 3, your roux is done. If you've enjoyed this recipe, please leave us a comment. Let us know how you like it. Give us a like, ring the bell. See you on the next one.